If you're ready to start advertising online, setting up your Google Ads account is the first big step. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Google Ads account and switch to expert mode so you can take full control of your campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident and prepared to start building ads that truly work for your business. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is the central place where businesses launch ads, attract new customers, and increase visibility online. If you haven't visited it before, take a moment to get familiar with the page. You'll find plenty of helpful resources and examples of how Google Ads can support your goals. Once you're ready, look for the option that says New Google Ads Account. Click on it to start the initial setup. This step is important because it establishes the foundation for everything you'll do inside Google Ads. Setting up your account correctly from the beginning ensures that your campaigns run smoothly later on. After clicking to create your account, Google will prompt you to start building your first campaign. Don't worry if you're new to this. The setup process is designed to guide you through each part so you understand the purpose behind every choice you make. Go ahead and click Create Your First Campaign. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about your business so Google can tailor your setup to match your goals. Once your campaign framework is created, you'll reach one of the most important steps in this tutorial: switching to expert mode. Expert mode unlocks the full set of tools inside Google Ads. It gives you more control over your targeting, your budget, your bidding strategies, and the formats you use. If you want to run highly customized campaigns, expert mode is definitely the better choice. Look for the option to switch to expert mode. When you select it, your dashboard will expand with additional features, allowing you to fine-tune your advertising strategy. You'll be able to manage keywords, build different types of ads, experiment with bidding methods, and access the detailed settings that experienced advertisers rely on. Even if you're a beginner, learning in expert mode gives you more room to grow. And that's all it takes to set up a Google Ads account and move into expert mode. Once you've completed these steps, feel free to explore the dashboard at your own pace. The more time you spend inside Google Ads, the more comfortable you'll become with optimizing your campaigns, adjusting performance settings, and testing new ideas. Thank you for watching. I hope this walkthrough made the setup process much clearer and easier to follow. Dive in, experiment, and start building campaigns that help your business grow. If you're ready to learn more, be sure to check out the next tutorials.